to go. You think that I'm not coming in? Yeah, this other side, coffee. It's easy by any state. You can't go again. The morning I'm out pretty. If you want to get Gianna, you do your blog. I'm telling you. Voilà. The main thing, you know, I told you to say me.
Yes.
Na janta be afule enwete go ndi ku. Onwe wanu mgbogozi na mana ina abezi nso ina enwete ya.
Just look at this magnificent structure an Igbo man built in faraway Kano state. So sad indeed. Now, my question is, will a northerner even build the same thing in the southeast? You already know the answer. Igbos always like to learn the hard way. In Lagos state today, in order to create a suitable drainage system and reduce the risk of flooding in Lekki Lagos state, 80% of houses owned by Igbo people has to be demolished. Here is how the Igbos got here. Firstly, recall that active trading activities started from the east. Onitsha, precisely. Just in case someone wants to know what Igbo people are doing in Lagos, here is the history. During the 19th century, Onitsha, strategically located on the eastern bank of the Niger River, became a major trading post. The town attracted traders from various ethnic groups and even from distant regions. The river served as a crucial transportation route, facilitating trade between the interior regions and the coastal areas. However, with the establishment of British colonial rule and the development of infrastructure, particularly the railway system, Lagos gained increasing importance as a center for trade and administration. The British colonial authorities strategically developed Lagos as the capital and a major port, contributing to its eventual ascendance as the primary commercial and administrative hub. While Lagos grew in significance, Onitsha retained its role as an important commercial center, particularly for trade within the eastern and northern regions of Nigeria. The shift of emphasis from Onitsha to Lagos was influenced by various geopolitical, economic, and colonial administrative factors during the colonial period. So in order to continue their trading activities, keeping up to standards, they migrated to Lagos, where they had a broader market distributions. That's how Igbo people got to Lagos. It is time to go back home and develop our own land, or continue to have your properties demolished. The choice is yours. Stay tuned and have a blessed day.
Yes.
Na janta be afule enwete go ndi ku. Onwe wanu mgbogozi na mana ina abezi nso ina enwete ya.